Hello friends, today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers. So here I have a picture of few things. The first picture is of apples. So before starting, let's make a pair of two. Can we make a pair of two? Yes. If I circle them together, they can make a pair of two, or we can make it like this also. If I wanted to roll it horizontally or vertically, that's up to you. If I make a pair like this, one pair, two pair, three pair, now I have a fourth pair, fifth pair, and a sixth pair. Do you find any apples left? No. Now again, let's break the pair of these, your favorite things again, toffees. Can I make a pair? Yes. Here I can make a pair. Yes. But this one is left behind. I do not have another toffee to make a pair of it. So what did we come to know from this? That the numbers which can be grouped in pairs. What? Numbers or things, we can say numbers that which can be fully grouped into pairs are called as even. Numbers which can be fully grouped into pairs are called even numbers. But obviously it is not possible for us to draw a picture all the time and make a pair of it. So there is another trick. In the ones position, the digits that, or we can say the number ending with numbers ending. The key word over here is ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even numbers. So what about the numbers which do not end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0? Those numbers are called as odd numbers. And what they will be? Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers, and the numbers that end with these are called as odd numbers. So let's have a quick revision. So numbers which can be fully grouped into pairs are called as even numbers. Numbers that ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are called as even numbers. The numbers that we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called as odd numbers. Now here's a quick exercise for you. If I give you any number, will you be able to find out whether it's an odd number or an even number? Let's have the number. For example, our teacher gives us 11, 23, 36, 88, 90. How will I find it out? Which is the odd number? So what will I do? I will find the last digit. I'll check the last digit of all the numbers. So we want to see the last digit of all the numbers. Here we have 1. So does the 1 come in the table of 2? No. Does 3 comes in the table of 2? No. But does 6 comes in the table of 2? Yes. 2 3s are 6. So we will circle the number, and this is the even number. Now this here we have. Does 8 come in the table of 2? Yes, it does. 2 fours are 8. So of course, this is the another number that comes in the table of 2. So this is an again even number. But does 0 comes in the table of 2? Does it? Yes, it does. 2 fives are 10. So when we write 2 into 5 is 10. So we have a 0 over here. It does come in the table of 2. So we circle this again and we say this is an even number. But again, if you can see, we have 2 tens. Again, we have 20. So this again is a number that comes. 0 does come in the table of 2. And we can say that this is an even number. This was the case of when we have 2-digit numbers. How will you do it when it comes to 3-digit numbers or more than 3-digit numbers? The pattern remains the same. If this is the kind of series that is being provided, what will you do, children? You will again forget these two numbers. Just look at the last digit. In 923, forget this 2 number. Just look at the last digit, 3. 544, forget the first 2 numbers. Just look at the last digit. Again, 994, forget the 99. Just look at the last digit. 231, forget the first 2 digits, right? And look at the last digit. Again, let's do this thing again. Does 1 come in the table of 2? No. So this is an odd number. Does 3 comes in the table of 2? No. Again, this is an odd number. But does 4 comes in the table of 2? Yes, it does. Because we said 2 2's are 4. So this is a even number. I'm going to circle the even number. I'm going to write it over here for you. Now again, as we did it right over here, again we have a number that is 994. I asked you to forget the first 2 digits and we have the number 4. It comes in the table of 2. Yes, it does come in the table of 2. 2 2's are 4. Just now we discussed about it. So this is, we're going to circle this, encircle the number, and this encircling will tell us this is an even number. Now we have 231. Does 1 come in the table of 2? No, it doesn't come in the table of 2. So this is an odd number. Let's review it once again. Even and odd numbers. When we can pair the articles into pairing, when you can pair the articles, it is called as even numbers, which can be fully paired. Number of endings with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. That's it for the day. Thank you.